Let's learn how to delete your XX Twitter account permanently. You maybe don't want it anymore? Don't need it, or have another account that you want to use so you want to get rid of the old one. Don't worry, I will show you how can you do that. Steps are pretty simple and easy, just follow what I am doing. So without wasting your time anymore, let us begin by opening your X app from your starting screen. This works on both iOS and Android devices. Once you open the X, you will have to go your profile page. To do that, just tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Once you are at your profile page, search down for Settings and Support option. Tap it and it will expand with a list of few things. You will have to tap on this Settings and Privacy option with the gear option. You don't have to scroll to reach it. Now this will lead you to Settings page with a lot of options that you don't need right now. What you need is this Your Account option. So go there, and that will open you a new page. For this one, hit this last option that says, Deactivate your account with Broken Heart option. When you do that, you will see a bunch of text and other stuff you don't care reading. They are telling you how you can deactivate it, what will happen, etc. Now scroll down to the end of a page where you will see red Deactivate button. Click it. This will lead you to a new page where you will have to confirm deactivation with the password of your account. After you fill password, click on this red Deactivate button at the right corner of your screen, and you are done. Now once your account is deactivated, you will have 30 days to restore it if you change your mind. After a month of no using it, account will be deleted permanently. So I suggest you to at least download your account data information before doing this to have it just in case. And you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.